So in this question, you're asked to prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. And as you see this question, you can very easily see that this question is based on transformation formulas, right? Cos C minus cos D, sin C minus sin D. So let us take the LHS. So cos C minus cos D, cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, 9x plus 5x, 14x by 2 is 7x, minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. It is 9x minus 5x is 4x by 2 is 2x divided by sin C minus sin D is 2 sin C minus D by 2. 17x minus 3x is 14x by 2 is 7x into cos C plus D by 2. 17x plus 3x is 20x by 2 is 10x. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Sin 7x and sin 7x gets cancelled. That is equal to minus sin 2x by cos of 10x, which is the RHS. Hence proved. Thank you.